Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. Today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. We actually bought a storage unit. So I'm here at the WinGuard storage unit. It's actually only 10 minutes from the pond if you watch any of our other videos, but we just bought this whole unit for like 200 bucks. So it's literally enormous. I guess they use this to store RVs and stuff. So we can walk through here quickly, but it's almost like an overload of stuff. I have no idea why somebody would store this much stuff, but they actually said it costs $700 a month to store stuff here too. So we don't know what we're gonna find, if anything's gonna be good. Looks like some trash as well, but it kind of looks like people were hanging out in here, and looks like some pee or something in a bottle. So who knows if anything is gonna be worth anything, but hopefully I can get back my 200 bucks and we will see. And what's back here? This looks like a whole dang sun tanning booth. This is just crazy. So, all right guys, I am gonna just kind of sort through this stuff, make a trash pile and make a good saving pile, because I really do not know what I'm gonna find or anything like that. So, and I only have like 48 hours to clear this out. So I'm gonna put the trash on one side and all the good stuff on the other side, and I'll show you guys all the good stuff. All right guys, it's now day 2, and I'm gonna show you how much trash we got already. So I got the whole entire trailer filled up with trash. I forgot to get a picture before I tarped it. And then through here, this is more trash that I've been kind of accumulating. Really, there was a lot of trash in here. I still got a lot to go. I don't know how many loads I'm gonna be able to get done today. It is raining. The guy I have helping me today, he said these golf clubs are worth some good money. But here's the little scrap metal that I've been accumulating, and then all this stuff is stuff right here that I thought I could sell. I mean, there's Zippo lighters, just all kinds of little stuff. This will be easy to ship on eBay. You know, new work boots and stuff like that, but VHSs and old stuffed animals and antiques. There's a meat grinder somewhere around here. This and like this old toy and stuff. You'd be surprised what sells online. I found a little bit of vintage clothing. I thought this Flintstone thing would sell maybe, and this old Barney, that's like a Barney I don't even recognize, so that's before my time. And so yeah, there's just all kinds of stuff, but this is like the only good stuff we got so far right here. And then we got to obviously organize all this stuff, which that looks like kitchen stuff and baby stuff. So I don't think we're going to really save a lot there. Might just be running loads to the dump. But this thing I just posted on Marketplace for 200 bucks. So hopefully we can sell that. It's an antique sewing machine. Let you guys look at it. So yeah, that thing looks old as heck. If I can get 200 for that, then that, including the money I found in that register yesterday, that'll pretty much pay for the unit. Also posted this. I just posted this for 50 bucks. Hopefully we can get that too. And so yeah, got to get all the rest of this out. I'll show you guys the trash load next. And then at the end of the video, I might try to go through some of that stuff. There was some Dale Earnhardt stuff as well in there, but I might have to just take that to the property and do that on a part 2 video or something, because I got to get everything out of here. It's 10 o'clock on Friday and I got to be out by Saturday at 1 o'clock. And there's actually going to be another storage unit video because I bought another storage unit inside I also have to clean out, but I'll show you that one in the next video. So yeah, I'm about to go to the dump and then we're going to come back and get to it. All right guys, so we're getting rained on. I knew this would happen. This is our second load. We're almost done filling it up. Got more trash. You can see the units getting cleaner. That's the Thunder right there. He's bringing all these boxes towards me so I can kind of sort them up here at this little table, but not really finding anything else good. We still have all the original stuff. I did find this, which was interesting. It's a title to a vehicle, so I don't know. Well, probably don't want to show all their information, but I don't know if I own that vehicle now since I own the title, so I'm gonna have to check on that. If you guys know anything about that, leave a comment. And I found birth certificates, social security cards. Luckily, I don't do identity theft, but if somebody did, it would be really easy to steal all these people's information. But yeah, so that's pretty much all the good stuff I found so far right there. And I'm gonna just keep filling this up, and hopefully we only got one more load. All right guys, it's still raining, but we got this trailer full again, and pretty much everything that you see back there is trash. So we're gonna have to do another load. I don't know about that tanning bed, but I'm probably just gonna get rid of it. I don't only have like, you know, a little bit of time to get everything out of here. And then all this stuff's like baby stuff. It's hard to see. But yeah, I'm gonna just kind of show you guys a few things I got that I think are valuable since I have a little bit of time, since I can't go to the dump because it's raining. So let's go over some of the good stuff I did find that I might be able to sell. All right, so the first thing we got were these Olympic pillowcases. Did a little bit of research, saw a couple of these going for like 20 bucks online, but these are from the Atlanta 1996. So those might have some value. So even if they're 20 bucks a pop, those will be easy to ship, but I thought those were pretty cool. Next, we got these pair of boots, size 11, that were like brand new. So I might actually even just use these for work, but probably can sell them for 30, 40 bucks. Then we got this as like an old little stove. I didn't really see any of these online, but I'm gonna have to do some more research. But this is really cool because I don't think a lot of people kept things like this, and out of everything in here, this was in pretty good condition. So a lot of the stuff wasn't in good condition, but this was a box of like NASCAR cards. So I don't know if he sorted these on the drivers or what, but they're kind of already, you know, in sets. So I'll just have to go through them, see if I can get anything for those. I have no idea with NASCAR cards, have never sold anything like that before. So that was a cool find. We'll see if that's worth anything, or maybe they're just all generic. We don't know yet. All right guys, next we got like this antique meat grinder thing. So I don't know how much that was worth, but that seems like an antique, and I think this is the base to it right there. This looks like an old, I don't know, ice cream machine or something. I have no idea what it is, but that looked old, so I'm gonna try to sell that. And then we actually have like a bunch of cases of these Barbie dolls. I wanted to show you guys quickly just some of those. Those should be easy to scan right in on eBay, and then ship them off shouldn't be too hard either. If you can get 20 bucks a pop or more for those, I don't know how much they are. If you guys know, leave a comment. And now I'm going to show you some more stuff. All right guys, so over here is the rest of those Barbie dolls. See, there's like 5 in there, and then the one underneath, there's like 5 more in there. So that was cool to find something that could actually be resold, like brand new stuff in the packages. All right guys, and then this was like an old doll. I didn't know if that would be worth anything. This is an old Harley Davidson telephone. I did look that up, and it only sells for like 15 bucks, and this one's actually broken, so I might not keep it. Then down here I have a bunch more NASCAR stuff. So that's what was cool, is this guy was a Dale Earnhardt Jr. fan. There's even baseballs for some reason with him on it, not sure why, but there's all kinds of cars and stuff in here. So that's all cool stuff that I think I can sell. This is a Dale Earnhardt like float, like blow up float thing, and I don't know, somebody might buy that. And in here we have more stuff that's like new in the package that I think I can sell. So let me know what you guys think. If this stuff has any value, let me know if anybody out there has been selling stuff like this. So here's some more stuff. It's a bunch of Dale Earnhardt stuff, and this is another phone. So unfortunately those phones are not being used anymore, but you never know. So hopefully some of that stuff's worth something. These are all new in the box as well. This was kind of just a bag of old toys, but I mean, like, you never know what some of this stuff could be worth. So I should probably look that up, but some of these toys looked really old in here, so I got to go through those. And this like old baby rattle. I just see toys selling for ridiculous amounts online, so that's something else we got to check out. Didn't really save too many clothes, but this one I thought was kind of cute. It's a sweater with 3 sweaters on it, so we'll see if that's worth anything. All right guys, we got more Barbies in here. So like I said, if these are worth even 20 bucks each, we'll make some money on it. I do want to tell you too, it actually cost me 40 bucks to dump that first load, so include that in the price. I can't even remember what I bought this for. I think I bought it for $220, like I might have said earlier, and then I paid another $40 for that dump. fee, and now I have a helper as well. So you got to keep that in mind if you want to start buying storage units, and especially this one where I would say 75% of the stuff was trash, and I have to get rid of a lot more stuff, and those mattresses alone are 12 bucks each to dispose of. So that's something to keep in mind as well, but let's keep looking through stuff. All right, this box, I didn't know if this dude was worth anything. He was just like a big old thing, old doll. One of these cassette players, some little toys that are in the packages, old cassettes. I've never sold any of those either, but there might be, you know, a diamond in the rough. An old phone, which I sold an old iPhone the other day for 100 bucks, so not sure if that's worth anything. And then this is an old like Charlie Brown toy, might be worth something, in this Mickey Mouse cup. So that one was kind of just random sporadic stuff. This was a thing of wooden painted fish, which I thought were really cool, but I don't know if anybody will buy them. I mean, I don't know if they hand painted this stuff or what. And then underneath is a bunch of unicorns, so I'll have to go through that and see if any of those are worth anything. All right, guys, so we also got all these little cars, which I'm also not sure how much they're worth. The Dale Earnhardt ones hopefully will sell. I do have a few of these listed from a job I had the other day, but none of them were racing cars like this. It was like a Mustang and a Camaro or something. So we never know how much these are, if these are collectible. We're in South Carolina, so this has Clemson all over it, which is kind of cool. And this was just a Coca-Cola truck, no idea if that's worth anything. But this thing I thought was pretty cool. This was wrapped up like a lot, and it has Dale Earnhardt Jr. on the front. Maybe that's what his helmet looked like. I'm not sure, so I'm gonna look that up and I'll let you know if it's worth anything. All right, guys, I looked this up. It was worth like 20 bucks online, but should be easy to ship as well. Then I mentioned that we got this little bit of money. We did find these little 50-cent pieces and these dollar pieces as well, and have some quarters over there. And there was some dollar bills in here, but my daughter took those yesterday. So yeah, pretty much with that. And then, like I said, we got that title, which I'm not sure what to do with. And there is a few other things, but really nothing stuck out to me of being worth too much value. I mean, I found some leather jackets and stuff, and found like this old motorcycle bag, which might be worth something. But overall, guys, it wasn't the greatest unit ever. I was happy to find like some Barbie dolls and stuff like that. I was hoping like the whole unit would be like that though. And I'm sorry if my hair and stuff's all messed up. It's like 120 degrees in this metal building right now. Yeah, I'll try to post some of this stuff and we'll see if I can even make my money back. But this one I think was kind of like a bust. I don't know how much I'll really make off of it. And I have to get all this out by tomorrow or they're gonna charge me $700. So I'm kind of at a time crunch too, and I gotta keep paying for disposal. So this was one of those houses where I think, you know, someone died and they just took everything and put it right in storage, because it looked like they were trying to sort through it, but they were taking their time, and then eventually they realized it's not even worth it to go through it, I guess. So I did get another unit, and I'm gonna be doing a video on that as well. So that's a smaller unit. It's actually on the inside of here. So hopefully that one has better results. But as far as this one, I wanted to show that, you know, these don't always make money. You know, this was my first one ever, but it ended up just being more trash than anything. I don't know why they would even keep a lot of this stuff. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you think any of that stuff has value, let me know. And let me know about that title too, because that's one of those things where if you get a car, the guy I have working with me today, he said him and his dad used to buy storage units and they found a vehicle before. So you never know what you're gonna find, but in this case, we didn't really find anything. But as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button. If you guys wanna see me kind of, you know, actually go through every box next time, maybe I can do a longer video, but this is the way I figured would be the fastest and most efficient. I'll just show you guys what's good at the end. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.